Welcome to an overview of the Sitecore for Salesforce EXM Module, a powerful extension module to the S4S connector from FuseIT. I'm Anastasia Cambridge. With S4S, you are able to seamlessly exchange information between Sitecore and Salesforce, opening up a new world of opportunities for marketing, sales, and customer service in your business. This short video is a follow-on from the S4S List Builder video, which I recommend watching first. This particular video is part of a series of recordings designed to get you introduced to the many features and functions of the S4S connector, highlighting the benefits of being able to bidirectionally update any of the objects in Sitecore and/or Salesforce. So with so much to cover, let's get you introduced to the S4S EXM module. The S4S EXM module is a paid extension module for S4S, which integrates Sitecore's Email Experience Manager, or EXM, with Salesforce. S4S EXM improves sales confidence and the sales process by surfacing Sitecore intelligence, engagement analytics, and email response information in Salesforce. This information lets the sales team better prepare follow-up emails, create more targeted campaigns, and learn valuable information before making direct contact with the recipient. S4S EXM extends the S4S List Builder, which is included with S4S, to add push to Salesforce capabilities that surface the effectiveness of Sitecore email campaigns in Salesforce. Let's quickly review the S4S List Builder. S4S List Builder is included with S4S. It creates Sitecore XDB contact lists that can be used by Sitecore EXM to send bulk personalized emails to Salesforce leads and contacts. It is built as a Sitecore Launchpad application, so you can import Salesforce campaigns and reports to Sitecore to create the contact lists. You can then use Sitecore EXM to send bulk emails and track analytics in Sitecore. Sitecore EXM tracks and closely scrutinizes the journey of an individual email recipient at all stages of a Sitecore campaign, including their click-through behavior on the company website, pages visited, goals reached, and much more. The S4S EXM module extends the S4S LB functionality by pushing the detailed Sitecore XDB email analytics to Salesforce lead and contact records, such as Sitecore campaign information, open and click-through behavior, pages visited, goals reached, and much more. Now it can be further evaluated and reported on. Sounds great, but how does this work? Firstly, let's recap on the S4S LB part of the process. In Sitecore, the user selects the required campaign or campaigns to import, or alternatively, selects a report. The new contact list is given a name, and the members are imported from Salesforce. After creating the new contact list, you have the option to use the Sitecore List Manager to remove duplicates, filter members, and create segmentations. Still in Sitecore, the user then creates an EXM campaign and adds the newly created list, then the campaign is sent. After the emails are dispatched, the recipient behavior will be recorded in XDB for analysis in Sitecore. Now for the S4S EXM part of the process. A scheduled request is fired, which goes into XDB and pushes the analytics to Salesforce. These then appear in the Salesforce contact or lead record, such as their engagement state, sent, opened, clicked, bounced, spam, opt-in or out, and that's either at a campaign or global level, and also the website behavior from the clicked links, for example, page visits, duration, key values, and goals. All of this is also now reportable in Salesforce. We do include one report in the S4S EXM Salesforce package to get you started. We are going to jump right into where we stopped in the S4S LB video, and we'll start with the process of sending an email. Select the Email Experience Manager from the Launchpad. I'm going to start with the draft email, as this already has the content we want to email out. Here we select an S4S EXM demo campaign. The first thing we'll do is go and add the recipients. You can see in the drop-down list that the winter conference list previously imported from the S4S LB video is available to select, but for this example we'll choose the S4S EXM demo contact list. You can now see that the contacts have been added to the email campaign. Let's have a quick look at the message content before we send this out. Now let's go and send the campaign. Just to note that after the emails are dispatched, the recipient behavior is recorded in XDB for analysis in Sitecore. We'll go and have a look at an example contact in Salesforce next. Here is Simon, our demo contact record. Currently, you can see from Simon's record that there are no analytics available as Simon hasn't yet visited the website. The Sitecore campaign message section is also empty as Simon hasn't been sent an email at this point. However, as we have just sent Simon an email from EXM, let's refresh Salesforce. If we scroll down, we can now see that Simon has been sent a Sitecore campaign message. By clicking through to the campaign message record, we can view all of the events. In this case, we can see the email sent event. Let's go and see the email that Simon should have received from the EXM email campaign that we sent out. Firstly, we can see the unopened email in Simon's Gmail account. Let's click to view the email. Simon would like to see more information, so he clicks through to the website. Once on the website, Simon's quite interested in the trusts page, so navigates to see this. He sees the white paper and decides to download it. However, despite downloading the white paper, Simon has decided he doesn't want to receive any more emails from my demo company. So he goes back to his email and unsubscribes from all campaigns. Next, we'll go and see how all of this looks in Simon's Salesforce record. Here is Simon's contact record. You can now see that the Sitecore campaign information has been updated and more campaign analytics are showing in Simon's record. Let's see the actions that Simon took after receiving the email. Simon opened the email, clicked the website link, and we can also see his unsubscribe and opt-out selection events. Let's go and have a look at what Simon did on the website. Here you can see the information that Sitecore gathered during Simon's visit to the website. For example, he hit a goal when he downloaded the tax white paper. Just remember that all of the gathered analytics can be reported on. To get you started, there is a report included in the S4S EXM Module package in Salesforce. This includes analytics on email, links clicked, opens, numbers sent, unsubscribes, and so forth. Thank you for watching. With a basic understanding of the S4S EXM module, feel free to explore our other videos on S4S. Please contact us if you have any questions or would like to know more about the S4S connector from FuseIT.